Hi, students. Welcome to this episode of our Inequality series. In this episode, we learn how to solve inequalities where x appears on both sides of the inequality sign. So, on the left hand side, you have 5x, and on the right hand side, you have 2x. So, in this problem, you will learn how to bring variables to one side, how to combine like terms, and also the algebraic two-step process that we will use to fully solve the problem. Now, this is a must watch if you're a CBSE, ICSE, or state board student, class 9 or 10, or preparing for entrance tests. So let's go ahead and do it. So let's first rewrite the inequality at 5x plus 3 is less than 2x plus 18. So first step, we will try to bring all the variables to one side. So here we have 5x plus 3. Now I want to get rid of the variable 2x on the right hand side and bring it to the left hand side. So to get rid of it in the right hand side, what I'm going to do is subtract 2x. So I have written minus 2x. That is, I'm subtracting 2x from the right hand side, which means I'll have to subtract 2x on the left hand side as well. So this gives me on the left hand side 3x plus 3 less than these two will cancel 18. Okay. Now I want to isolate 3x on the left hand side, so I will get rid of the plus 3 by subtracting 3 from the left hand side, in which case I subtract 3 from the right hand side as well. So I end up with 3x less than 15. So this is the first step of the two-step algebraic process. We primarily used addition and subtraction to bring the variable to one side and also to get rid of all the numbers on the left-hand side and bring them onto the right-hand side. So we have the variables on the left-hand side and the numbers on the right-hand side. So the next step is to use the division operation to isolate x. So this is the second step in the two-step process. Less than 15 divided by 3. This gives me x is less than 5, which is the answer to this question, which is the value of x, and it's a range of values less than 5. I hope this is clear to you now. See you later. Thank you very much.